I'm super excited to do this video for you, probably more excited than I should be. It is July 2022, and SocialPilot just released that they are able to do scheduling for YouTube and YouTube Shorts. So this is huge, right? Video creation and posting onto social sites has become extremely important. And SocialPilot's been able to do it for Facebook and Instagram and TikTok for quite some time now. Um, I'm not sure when they brought TikTok on board, but it was definitely like 2020, 2021. And we've all been anxiously awaiting and hoping that they will allow us to schedule to YouTube because YouTube is the biggest player out there. So we can do it now. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through this brand new feature, how to set up your YouTube account, how to post to YouTube, and then give you some additional tips on other things that you need like Canva and TubeBuddy to help support your YouTube channel and help it grow. So let's get into it.
Alrighty, so we are starting once I've already logged in. I created a separate trial account so that all of my other accounts for clients and things weren't in here mucking everything up. I've already added my Facebook page for Marketing Masterminds, so now I'm going to show you how easy it is to add your YouTube channel. So accounts, connect an account, and you'll see YouTube is now here. And you have to use your Google account to connect to it. So I'm actually going into my main account, and I actually have my Marketing Masterminds right at the top. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to say yes to all of the allowing so that SocialPilot can do all the things it needs to do on my behalf. Okay, now you can see I have both accounts connected. Here would be the time if you're using the groups feature of SocialPilot to make sure you're adding your YouTube account or accounts to your groups. If you're not sure what groups are for, go take a watch of the video we did on the overview of SocialPilot where we talk about how you group accounts together. If you're running multiple accounts, like if you're a social media manager, or maybe you have multiple accounts for your business. You have different lines of business that you have different accounts for. So now that we are attached, we're actually going to go create a post. So you'll see I have both up here, Facebook and YouTube, and over on the side, because those are the accounts that I have connected. If I had more connected, like an Instagram account as well, that would show up too. But we're going to be focusing on YouTube right now. Okay, we're going to let this upload. And now through the magic of video editing, the video is uploaded. It's going to take you a little time. Videos take a long time to upload. So now, if I wanted to, I could actually set this up where it goes out to both Facebook and to YouTube and any place else, which is great because it pulls all of that over. And you can change all of your tags here, but let's focus on YouTube. So it pulled over my description. And we want you to do your SEO for it inside TubeBuddy because it gives you prompts. But if you're really comfortable with SEO in your video, you can do it in your descriptions and your tags right here. And then, of course, don't forget to add your chapters. Chapters are super important in YouTube. We're going to do a separate video on TubeBuddy on SEO for videos, and we're going to link back to that in here. So if you see the link, definitely go check that out. So you don't want to use the thumbnails here. You want to create and have a professional looking thumbnail because it really actually drives engagement. So I already have a thumbnail created and now I'm going to actually upload that thumbnail, which I think is great. So that it comes into the system the right way. I want the privacy settings. I want this to be public. And now I can do content category. This is education, and then I can tag it. I can tag it with Canva. I can tag it with YouTube thumbnail. And again, you can, if you need more breadth and depth of the types of tags, we suggest adding TubeBuddy to your YouTube channel. And then publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers? Absolutely. So I want this to publish out to one account, which is this account, the YouTube account. And then now I want to schedule it. And out it goes to be scheduled. And now we can actually go and look and see that on the calendar. Love the calendar view here in SocialPilot. So there it is. It's going out on Monday, the 25th. So the really great thing about this is, had it been a vertical video that was less than a minute, it would have conformed to the YouTube Shorts type of content. And then SocialPilot would have actually set it up so that it goes out on both. So just keep that in mind. If you're doing vertical videos and you're trying to do, or you're doing them for TikTok, you can actually have them post to TikTok and to Shorts now all at the same time, and you can schedule them out, which is pretty cool. Okay, so go have fun with putting videos out on YouTube.